Fiat's iconic Lingotto building in Turin, Italy, is celebrating its 100th anniversary, and the automaker has big plans to honor this milestone. In a commemorative video, Fiat CEO Olivier François announced that the historic building will serve as a design inspiration for an upcoming 2024 production model, referred to as having a Lingotto-inspired design marker. Lingotto's historical significance, bullet, construction and opening. Officially opened on May 22, 1923, the Lingotto was the largest car factory in the world at the time. Bullet. Innovative design. The building is known for its unique architectural design, featuring a 1.5-kilometer oval rooftop track used for testing new Fiats. Bullet. Production process. The factory's design allowed for a vertically integrated production process, with raw materials entering at the bottom and completed cars emerging at the top. Bullet. Multifunctional space. Today, Lingotto serves as Fiat's headquarters and houses an art gallery, museum, shops, and restaurants, including a rooftop establishment offering scenic views. Future design inspiration. Bullet. 2024 production model. Fiat plans to incorporate elements of Lingotto's distinct shape and structure into the interior design of an upcoming car. Bullet. Style and cues. The building's spiraling floors and ample natural light from large windows will influence the aesthetic and functional aspects of the new model. Bullet. Heritage and innovation. This design approach aims to blend Fiat's rich heritage with modern innovation, reflecting the company's ongoing evolution under the Stellantis umbrella. Lingotto's cultural impact. Bullet. Cinematic fame. The rooftop track famously featured in the 1969 film, The Italian Job, adding to Lingotto's cultural and historical significance. Bullet. Modern use. Besides serving as Fiat's headquarters, Lingotto is a vibrant community hub with cultural and commercial spaces, enhancing its legacy as a multifunctional landmark. Speculation on future features. Bullet. Potential innovations. While it's uncertain whether future models will include features reminiscent of the famous rooftop track, such as jumping capabilities, Fiat's nod to Lingotto suggests a focus on unique and innovative design elements. In summary, Fiat's homage to the Lingotto building through its 2024 production model signifies a celebration of the brand's historical roots while embracing contemporary design and technology. This initiative underscores Fiat's commitment to honoring its past while looking forward to the future.